You know, Ferragamo's F Black came out in 2009, but to this day, this stuff is still very, very relevant. I want to make the video because I just ran out to Ross and I grabbed this bottle because I ran out. I've been rocking this stuff forever, still rocking it to this day. There is never going to be a time when this is not in my collection unless I cannot get my hands on it. We're going to talk about the fragrance briefly, but before we do, as always, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the damn bell. I'm not going to tell you again. I probably will tell you again in the next video. So yeah, came out in 2009, still super, super relevant. I got the dry down on this test strip. This stuff's insane. When you take into consideration quality, performance, price, and like compliment factor, Ferragamo's F Black is arguably going to always be on some kind of like all-star lineup of fragrances. In my opinion anyways, I'm sure a lot of people would agree. This stuff is sexy, it's alluring, it's confident, it's smooth, it's mysterious, it smells mature while still being somewhat fun and playful. And I've said this about other fragrances and I'll say it again about this one. This one I think walks the line of youth and maturity really well. I think if younger guys rock this stuff, they're going to get a mature vibe coming off their skin. And an older guy can rock this stuff and bring out a bit of a youthful vibe off of his skin. I know it might sound weird, but I'm telling you, it makes sense to me. I want to get that opening again. God, I love this stuff. The performance is phenomenal off of my skin. I wore this the other day. I literally got 8 hours, no problem. And I was outdoors. I was working outdoors in the wind and the rain. And I still smelt this when I got in my truck to leave at the end of the day. Incredible performance, at least off of my skin. As far as notes go, I know it's kind of a aromatic, fresh, spicy fragrance. You got some coriander, you got some labdanum. It's got somewhat of a woody, somewhat of a resinous smell. You've got this nice lavender, this nice crisp apple, and some black pepper. It's a very sexy fragrance. Younger guys especially, I want to scream about this because if you're not some guy that's balling out of control and can afford to spend hundreds of dollars on fragrances, this is a super affordable one to keep in your arsenal for date nights or nights out with friends, or maybe even like a job interview. This would do well. You can rock it day or night. Doesn't have to be a nighttime fragrance. I would just say, in my experience, I wouldn't rock this in the super high heat, but anytime it's relatively cool outside or cold outside, this is a damn good one to reach for. I will say from experience, I've chosen this on many date nights over some of my more expensive fragrances. Gotten a lot of compliments. Chicks dig this stuff. Like I said, it's alluring, it's sexy, it's confident. It's a very good fragrance for the price. I think we already went over performance. Yeah, easily 6 to 8 hours off of my skin. I just want to rant and rave about it for a minute because just in case even one person hasn't heard, this stuff gets love from everybody and it's for damn good reason. You need to get it if you haven't already. You will find a time and a place to rock it and you will not regret it. Just wanted to show some love to that fragrance because it deserves it. Like I said before, there will never be a time this is not in my collection unless I just can't get my hands on it. That's it, and that's all. Like the video. If you like the damn video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already. Until next time, guys, God bless, be well, boom, I'm out.